So today I have found Windows 11 Raven OS Extreme Lite, which I will install on this machine. As you can see, it is Windows Pro, and also the build version is 24H2. And I have installed this on a real machine, real laptop, which is Core i3 4th generation with 4 gigs of RAM to demonstrate the performance and quality of this modified OS. So I'm going to open Task Manager, and Task Manager open so much faster, and the processes it use only 65 process running in background, and also memory consumption is quite good, 2.2 gigs out of 4 gigs, which is really nice. And other thing are working perfectly. Now when I go to process tab again, you can see background process is only 32, 22. So it is quite good. Now let's see, let's deep dive into this Windows. So I'm going to see the classic uh, menu, and as you can see, it has ability to change darker mode to light mode, and also a lot of extra feature, which is really good. And I really like this stuff, and it has so much thing to explore. And also we can click or change the power mode and also Bluetooth mode. So it is quite good. Next, when I click on this area notification, you can see it has Bluetooth but no Wi-Fi. I have installed all the driver, but it is not working. When I try to open a text file, it's showing something is busy. And when I try to open the Explorer, you can see Explorer and the icon is perfect. And my other drive is perfect as well. My Windows drive uses only 6 gigs of uh, space. So this is so good. Only 6 gigs of space for Windows. And also you have to remember that I have installed driver, all the driver available for this machine. So I believe it's around 5 gigs. So the only as you can see, these all apps are installed by default. So when I try to click on calculator, you can see newer version of calculator, but I believe it not gonna load. The calculator will never load because it is stuck. That is the downside, first downside of this operating system. Next, I'm going to close this. And when I try to search for optional feature, you can see the search index are off. And also, if you notice that when I try to press any key, it gave me result three or sometime two times or four times of same stock, which is not good. And on optional feature, we can see all the available feature and also all the enable feature. So this is really good. So it has direct play option to play older game, and it has Windows Sandbox, which is really nice. I believe this is great because sometimes I use this Sandbox to run a program for from internet. So this is really good. Now when I go to Explorer again, and when I go to Windows folder, and we can see on wave, we will find wallpaper. So this is first wallpaper, which is good, and it uses Windows Photo Viewer legacy to open a photo. So these two are some wallpaper. This is the That was default, and this is second wallpaper. So this one was default wallpaper for this Windows. So next, when I click on Explorer, let's try to search for something. And as you can see here, top apps, and here quick search. And when I try to open setting again, is load quite good. And when I click on network and internet, you can see no Wi-Fi option available here, but it has internet option. So you can use cable to connect to your machine to internet. And when I go to driver manager, you can see I have installed all available driver as well as Wi-Fi driver, but it has found some unknown driver which is not good. uh, six, I believe six unknown driver, which is not good. So next I'm going to go to Explorer again, and I have to copy some uh, media file. When I try to open AT file, it's open using Windows photo viewer. So this is good. And this is another picture. When I try to open a video to play this file, you can see there is no media player, which is not good. At least it should have Windows Media Player Legacy. So no video player available here, and no video player available here. So this is not good. Next, we're going to go to our media folder as well, and I'm going to open another file, but it's not working. And the font file is working. I can install and preview the font file. So this is plus point. Also, when I try to open Windows PowerShell, it is not working, and the terminal also not working. So I have to open CMD for command prompt, and command prompt are working. So this is good, but it should have Windows terminal, at least PowerShell. So next, I'm going to open the text file again because last time it's showing error, and this time it's working. So I'll try to write down something, but as you can see, some keyword press twice, some three times, and this is not good. My keyboard is working, but I believe it is problem of this OS because I really uses other ways, but no other ways do this with why this do this to me. So as you can see, I'm trying to write something, but not uh, I'm not able to write it perfectly. So what do you think? Let me know your thought on comment below, and thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow this channel. So thanks for your time, and bye bye.